All right, let's dive in. Today, we are talking about a technology that is about to completely change how we think about artificial intelligence. It's called Agentic AI. And look, if you think what we have now is impressive, just wait. We're about to move from an AI that just answers your questions to an AI that actually gets things done.
You know, for the last few years, we've basically been treating AI like this incredibly smart calculator. We give it a very specific command, a prompt, and it gives us a very specific answer back. But that's all starting to change. With Agentic AI, we're making this huge shift from a passive tool to an active teammate. Think of it less like a calculator and more like a coworker that you can actually delegate things to.
And that's the core idea here. AI that does things. We're moving way beyond just creating text or pictures. We're talking about an AI that can take real, actual steps in the digital world to achieve a goal you give it.
This really reframes the whole thing, doesn't it? I mean, think about it like this. You don't tell a human assistant, okay, now open a new browser tab, now type in the airline's website, now click on the flights button. No way. You just give them the goal. Hey, book me a flight to New York for next Tuesday. That's the leap we're talking about. It's all about the high-level objective, not the tiny little micro instructions.
So let's officially meet the AI agent. What is it, really? And what makes this new kind of AI so different and, frankly, so much more powerful?
Okay, so here's the textbook definition. It's an AI system that can proactively and autonomously plan and execute a series of actions to achieve a specific high-level goal. Now, the two words you really got to grab onto there are proactively and autonomously. This thing doesn't just sit there waiting for your next command. It actually thinks ahead and works on its own to get the job done.
And all of this is possible because of 4 key traits. First, it's goal-oriented, meaning it's always focused on that end result you gave it. It's autonomous, so it can work by itself. It's proactive, it takes the initiative. And it's environmentally aware, meaning it can actually perceive its digital surroundings, like what's on a website, and adapt to it. It's the combination of all 4 of these things that lets it truly solve problems on its own.
So, what does it look like when one of these agents is working? How does it actually think? Well, let's pop the hood and take a look at something called the action loop.
This whole process is basically a constant cycle. First, the agent observes. It gathers data, it reads a web page, it checks your calendar, whatever it needs to do to understand the situation. Then, it thinks. It comes up with a multi-step plan to get from here to the goal. And finally, it acts. It carries out the first step of that plan. But here's the crucial part. It doesn't just stop. It goes right back to step 1, observing the results of its action, learning, and then adjusting its plan. It's this constant loop of observe, think, act, repeat.
Okay, enough of the theory. This is where it gets really, really cool. Let's talk about agents out in the wild. Let's put this theory into practice with some pretty powerful real-world examples.
Imagine just tossing this single command to your AI. An agent would just go. It would start browsing airline websites for the best prices. It would search hotel booking sites for places right near the convention center. It would cross-reference your actual calendar to make sure there are no conflicts. And then it would come back to you with a complete itinerary, ready for you to just say yes. You didn't have to guide it step by step at all.
Or get this. If you ask a normal AI for this, you'll get a bunch of text, maybe some links to articles. An agent, on the other hand, would go out and do the actual research across dozens of sources. It would pull out the key data points, price, battery life, user review scores, and then it would synthesize all of that information into a perfect, clean, easy-to-read comparison table. It turns what would be hours of your time into a single request.
Now this is where it can become a true daily partner. An AI agent could literally live inside your inbox. It could learn what's important to you, give you summaries of long, messy email chains, draft up standard replies for you, and even go back and forth with your calendar to get meetings scheduled automatically. This isn't just helping, this is true digital delegation.
So, when you put all this together, what does it mean? Are we really talking about our new AI coworkers? Well, it definitely points to some massive changes in the future of work and how we collaborate with technology.
And if you're going to take away one single thing from all this, let it be this. Our entire relationship with AI is evolving right now. We are moving from being operators who have to give these super detailed instructions to being managers who delegate complex problems. The AI is shifting from a tool we use to a partner that helps us solve.
Look, this stuff isn't science fiction anymore. It's being developed and it's developing fast, which leaves all of us with a final and pretty critical question that we're all going to have to start thinking about very soon. Is the world really ready for a truly autonomous workforce?